Hey everyone, it's Tyler from Coldwell Banker up here at Big Bear Lake, and today I just wanted to chat about lakefront properties up here in Big Bear. Lakefronts are pretty much the most desirable type of property up in Big Bear. Everybody wants to try to get one, but there's very few, and they're also pretty expensive, so not everybody can get one. But so when you're talking about lakefront properties, what are the things that make them desirable, right? Obviously, being on the water is a great aspect, but what makes one lakefront better than the other? Typically there's 3 or 4 things that I look at when I'm evaluating a lakefront, and the first thing obviously is going to be water level, the depth level. You'll hear people talk about deep water, and in Big Bear that just means some areas are deeper than others when you go out into the water. The eastern part of the lake typically is the shallowest part, and the western part of the lake is the deepest part, but that's the general rule. Why does it affect the value? Well, when the water levels go down in a shallower water location, you're going to have less water than you are in a deeper water location. So the appeal during a drought condition, or the appeal during areas that are shallower, is not going to be as good as the areas that are deeper during a drought condition. So that, weeds and stuff like that are issues. So that's one thing, the depth of the water, deep water. The second thing would be the frontage on the water. How much frontage does the property have on the water? Some have 25 feet, some have over 100 feet. And you can see if you have over 100 feet, that's just more enjoyment of the water. So that's another aspect. The third aspect would be the view. Some lakefront properties have a wide open view of the lake, of the whole part of Big Bear Lake, while others may just have a partial view, or an inlet view, or a lagoon type view. That's going to affect the value. The fourth thing is going to be the wind. We have some wind up here in Big Bear Lake. Typically it comes from the northwest, and some lakefront houses get hit by the wind more than others. So when you're out sitting on your deck enjoying the lakefront, how the wind hits you or hits the property will determine how much you're going to enjoy it some of the time. So that's another part that you'd want to take into account, or that I would take into account when I'm looking at values, lakefront values, and so forth. So those are just 3 or 4 things that I think affect lakefronts. If you have any questions on lakefront property here in Big Bear, or any type of property up here in Big Bear, feel free to give me a call. It's Tyler Wood at Coldwell Banker, 909-866-3481. You can email me at whowood@gmail.com. Thanks.